In this lesson, we're going to explore one of the most essential areas of Adobe Premiere Pro, the project panel. This is the heart of your entire editing workflow. Every piece of media you use in your project, videos, images, audio files, graphics, titles, and sequences, is stored and organized right here. Think of it as your editing library or the control center of your project. At the top of this panel, you'll see a tab labeled Project, your project name. For example, Project First. Every project you create will have its own project panel like this. Before you start editing, you need to bring your media into Premiere. Premiere offers several convenient importing methods. 1. Import button. Click the Import Media button directly inside the project panel. 2. Right-click anywhere inside the panel and choose Import. Drag and drop. Simply drag files or folders directly from your computers into the project panel. 4. Keyboard shortcut, Ctrl-I for Windows, Command+I for Mac. This opens the import window instantly. Now click Import Media. If you want to import one file, select it and click Open. If you want to bring in an entire folder, click Import Folder. Premiere preserves your folder structure inside the project panel. Once your media is imported, you'll see small thumbnails or list entries appear here, representing every file you've added to your project. Right now, we are in List View, and in Adobe Premiere Pro, these folders are called bins. You can click on a bin to open it and see all the files inside. Click again to collapse the bin and hide the files. This list view shows you detailed information about each clip, such as name, file type, resolution, frame rate, duration, and more. It's useful when you want a clean, organized view of all your media, especially on large projects. You can also double-click a bin to open it in a separate tab or a floating window. You can also see the name of the bin right here, so you always know which bin you're working inside. And click on this icon, we can back to the folder. Create a new bin. Click the new bin icon at the bottom of the panel. Or use a shortcut Ctrl-B on Windows and Command-B on Mac. You can even create bins inside bins for deeper organization. You can use this icon to delete the bin. Just select the bin you want to remove and click the delete icon. Premiere gives you 3 different ways to view your media: List View, Icon View, and Freeform View. Let's discuss on List View. Press tilde key to enlarge the view. Shows your media in a clean list format with detailed metadata such as frame rate, media start, media end, media duration, and others. Maybe you can see default meta option. It's depend upon your software version. You can sort any column in ascending or descending order by clicking on its column header. For example, if you click on the frame rate column header, Premiere Pro will arrange your clips from the lowest frame rate to the highest. Click it again and it will reverse the order from the highest frame rate to the lowest. This is very helpful when you want to quickly group similar clips together, making your workflow faster and more organized. You can reorder columns by dragging them left or right. We can customize what metadata appears by clicking the panel menu icon, the 3 horizontal lines at the top right of the project panel. Now click on Premiere Pro metadata to select all and then click to deselect all. And we can select the best option which we like. Now click OK. And you'll notice we have only a few list metadata columns visible, such as name, frame rate, media start, media end, media type, and media duration. And this will help you quickly understand each clip without opening it. At the top of the project panel, there's a search bar. You can type a word here to instantly search and find any clip, even if it's inside deep bins. First, let's go back to the main bin by clicking on this icon. Now, let's type the word sound in the search bar. And you can see that Premiere Pro immediately shows us all the files related to sound. When you're working on a large project with hundreds of clips, this search bar makes it extremely easy to quickly identify and locate any file you need. In 2025 beta, Adobe added AI-powered search. If media analysis is enabled, you can even search by content, like car or sky, and Premiere will find visually matching clips. Now let's discuss on the icon view. Let's switch to icon view. Now double-click any folder to see what's inside. You can switch back to the previous view by clicking on this icon. Again, double-click to open and view the files. And here you can also enlarge the thumbnails for a better preview. Let me show you one more thing. When you hover your cursor over a clip and move forward, the clip scrubs forward. When you move your cursor backward, the clip scrubs backward. If you click a clip and press the spacebar, the clip will play. Press spacebar again to stop the playback. You can arrange clips easily by clicking and dragging them. If you want to select multiple clips in a row, hold the Shift key and drag. If you want to select clips individually, use Control-click on a window or Command-click on Mac. This lets you pick clips one by one in any order and rearrange them. Now let me tell you about Freeform View. When you switch to Freeform View, you can position clips anywhere you like without being restricted by a grid or alignment, like this. This becomes very useful when working on large projects or when you want to visually organize shots in a custom way. You can also align the clips to a grid. Now the clips have been aligned through the grid, or reset their layout using these options here. Just choose the option that fits best for your workflow. You can also choose from other alignment options depending on what works best for your project and your workflow. At the top of the panel, you can also see the other view tabs, and we'll discuss all of these in an upcoming lecture. Now press the tilde key again to minimize the project panel and return to the normal workspace view. And that's a complete overview of the project panel in Adobe Premiere Pro 2025 beta. This panel keeps your entire project organized, efficient, and easy to manage, no matter how big your production gets.